Howdy and welcome back to Shaving Down Under. Just got another package rocked in today, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. Can't actually remember what I bought with this lot, so I know one little thing I bought, but I can't remember the rest. Hopefully that's not quite in the centre. There we go. Okay. Well, first off, this is the Astra Superior Stainless Steel blades. I haven't actually tried these, so I thought I'll grab a pack and see how they are. I seem to enjoy stainless steel blades more than the other types. That's what I've found so far. Here we go. Platinum Collection from Tailors of Old Bond Street, or Tobbs. And yeah, I thought, why not? Let's check this one out. Let's have a look inside. This is the first actual Tobbs I've bought. I'll just give it a sniff. Not much in the way of scent. So I'm looking forward to trying that one out. And put that just down here. Now this one. I did get a bit carried away, I must admit. Check and Speak Oxford and Cambridge shaving soap. Now this one, this is just the puck and the refill, and I know this was quite expensive, but you can buy one where it comes in an aluminium or container. It's specially lathed, and it's like $150 or $250. So I thought, well, I'm not spending that money. And I ummed and erred quite a bit before I bought this. I thought I'd give it a go, and so what I've actually done is bought on eBay some tins, empty tins that are used for soap or candles or whatever. So I'll try it out and then put it in the tin. So let's just open up this paper here. So it's quite a nice presentation for a soap. And an interesting scent. I'll get into more detail of the scent of these soaps when I use them in a review. This is what I was originally going for. Seen some good reviews for this, and a lanolin soap, so I thought I'd like to try it out. Oh, well, I'll open it up another time. So there it is, nicely packaged. 36 months use by after you open it up. So that's pretty good, 3 years. That's good value for money. And as I work out how that must be it. So what else have we got here? Oh yeah, it all floods back. The money I spent. So I bought this quite nice inside the box. This is another shaving cream. Captain Fawcett's shaving cream. Expedition Reserve. Yeah, it doesn't say too much about it. Oops, there goes the box. That's probably sealed, I know. No, can't get any scent out of it. and see what else is just down there. Oh yeah, just a normal sort of vouchers you start getting with things these days. Naked Wines. There you go. Whoops. And a freebie. Looks like a lip balm. What? Toothpaste? Right, I'm going to have to research that. At first I thought this is a lip balm, but that says toothpaste. Oh, something interesting. Cool. Oh, hope you enjoyed it. Got some interesting stuff here. I'm looking forward to trying all these soaps, to be honest with you. It did dent the bank balance a bit. And really looking forward to trying these out. And if any of you out there have tried them, just let me know in the comments what you think about them, whether you enjoy these blades or not. And yeah, well, I'll talk to you all soon. Ciao.